In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple brokers' accounts in TradingView. If you use more than one broker, or you simply want to keep different trading accounts organized, TradingView makes it pretty straightforward to connect and switch between them. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process step by step, and I'll add some tips so you understand not just what to click, but why you're doing it. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and have a chart open. At the bottom or side of your TradingView interface, you'll see a section related to trading or broker connections. This is often called the trading panel. Go ahead and open this panel. This is where TradingView lists the available brokers and where your existing connections will appear. Once the trading panel is open, look for your currently connected broker's account. Next to the name of that account, there should be a small arrow or drop-down icon. This arrow is important because it reveals more options related to your broker connections. Click on the arrow beside your current account. When you click that arrow, TradingView will show you a list of available actions. Among these options, you should see something like Create Account or Add Account. This is the feature that allows you to manage multiple broker accounts through the one TradingView interface. Go ahead and click on Create Account. At this point, TradingView may prompt you to choose which broker you want to add, or it may open a connection window for the broker you're already using. You'll typically need to sign in with your broker credentials or confirm the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and be sure you're connecting the correct live or demo account, depending on your needs. Once the account is created and linked, it will appear in your trading panel alongside any other accounts you've connected. From now on, you can use that same arrow beside the current account to switch between accounts, check balances, and place trades from different brokers, all within TradingView. To keep things organized, consider naming or labeling your accounts clearly in